Hey YouTube, so today I want to talk about a feature on my new camera, which is the Canon R6. I've been shooting some video with it and some sports photography and just some nature stuff. And recently I've been infatuated with the 120 frames per second in 1080p. So I just want to show you guys some footage from that feature in this camera, and here it is. So one thing to note about the 120 frames per second 1080p on the Canon R6 is that you don't get sound recording when you use it, which is no big deal because you're probably shooting something that like requires slow motion, or you want to see the detail in the action that's happening or whatever it may be. And there's probably not going to be dialogue, because if you're shooting dialogue at that, it's probably not going to sound great anyways, because it's going to be like strung out or stretched, because it's already like, it's a slowed down clip of slow motion action normally. So it's not really that big. It's not that big of a downfall really. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. I would appreciate if you guys would like and subscribe. I have a video coming up on the 4K 60 on the Canon R6, and I will also be going over some features that come in handy for sports photography, like the 20 frames per second and the electronic shutter versus the 12 with the mechanical shutter. So be on the lookout for that, and I'll see you guys next time.